Hi there my lovelies, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make a summery pasta, a simple pasta, an oil-free pasta and gluten-free. How about that? It is super light, super nutritious, and although it's a pesto, we're not going to use any oil whatsoever. Instead, we're going to use good oils from the cashews. And let's dig into the recipe. First, we're going to start by marinating some tofu with soy sauce, garlic powder, and pepper. And now we're going to pop our tofu into our air fryer for 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Alright, now we're going to need 1 or 2 zucchinis, and then you cut it into small cubes, and we're going to saute them in water. Add a little bit of garlic, but not too much garlic because we don't want it overpowering. Or if you like garlic, come on, just add as much garlic as you want. I'm trying to advise you here because the other day I made it and I put a lot of garlic and then it was only garlic I could taste. But if you like it, just go for it. Alright, now we're going to move into making the pesto, which is super simple. We're going to get the zucchini that we just sauteed. We're going to add a cashew cream, which I have made by adding a quarter cup of cashews with a plant-based milk. In this case, I have used soy milk and sweetened soy milk because this is the go-to milk that I use here all the time. And along with that, basil, lemon, and some lemon zests. And now we're going to process it. By the way, this meal can be enjoyed warm or cold. I prefer cold because hello summer, and like I said, it's fresher this way. But if you want, you can even bake it and cover it with vegan cheese on top and breadcrumbs, and then put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Then it's super, then it becomes a wintry dish, but in this case you want to keep it simple and fast, so that's how I made it. Now, I love it. This is, oh my God, this is delicious. I like to make, you can make with any kind of a pasta shape you like. I like to make with a fusilli or rigatoni or a penne, because then this way the sauce, the pesto gets trapped into the nooks and crannies, and then you have more moist and more sauce with every bite. There is something about eating green foods that makes you automatically feeling healthy, doesn't it? I don't know why. I wonder. This is too delicious. I love it. This is dangerously good. Please, please, please make it. And this is a very nice way of reducing the amount of fat and unnecessary oils to our food, because I actually love pesto, but I absolutely hate the amount of oil that there's in one small pesto when you make it. It hurts me because I'm like, it's not necessary. You still have the taste, you still have the freshness, but you don't have the bad ingredients that all the oils bring to your health. So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you make it. And if you do, please tag me. Let me know in the comments below if you also like pesto, if you're team pesto or not. I am. I love it. So I see you next time. Have a wonderful week. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.